What are you talking about?
You ordered me.
What? Ah! Oh, it's that weird number again. What do you want?
Yeah, it's me. Do you have a problem? Yeah, I got a face job. I might look a little different, but I got a face job.
Why would I care if you got a face job? Your face is probably ugly anyways.
Well then. Anyways, and you should do something for me.
No, Jigsaw, I don't want to play a game.
I'm not Jigsaw. I'm his half-cousin, once removed, multiplied by 5.
Okay, Jigsaw, cousin multiplied by 5 guy. It's not funny anymore.
Yeah, boy, you sure it's pretty funny.
What's your problem? Why is my shirt so funny? Oh, I get it now. Yeah.
Okay, you're dumb. Anyways, so, before I kill you, I'm sitting on your couch. So just look around your house. You don't know which couch